hey, do you know how I created a AI thumbnail for this client and she pays me $500? I will tell you. So I saw that her videos are amazing, but her thumbnail is not nice. So that's why I created an amazing thumbnail for her. So first what I did, I installed these two thumbnail. Then I moved to here our where our ChatGPT. Then I told the ChatGPT that these two thumbnails are not performing well. So provide me a similar thumbnail so that I can use instead of it to get millions of views and see what it created. I give a what it created. It created detailed prompt, master prompt, and this prompt after creating, I provided. See how beautiful it created the thumbnail. So this is the thumbnail, and I sell this thumbnail for $500. Can you imagine this again? One I am showing you, and these two thumbnail. These two thumbnail for $500. There, sorry, these two thumbnails for $500. One this, another one is this. See, these two thumbnail for $500. And how I approaches her? So I went to Facebook. I went to Facebook and messaged her that what I message. See, so hello ma'am, I have made a free thumbnail for you. Just try this, and if your result comes, then you please reply me. So her result come and she get replied on me. Similarly, in every post I have did similar message just to check every post. So here not happen above. Yes, in this post you can see. Here you can check. I have maybe yes. See here also I have sent. See. Also I try to reach out on Instagram also just to check. So main work is what? To find a client and to reach out them, because if you do not know how to reach out them, then how can you make money, how can you provide services? So if you also want such a service like AI thumbnail, AI website designing, and AI UGC ad, I am here to help you. So be connect with me. I will show you my website also where I will provide some samples. So here I used to see how I reached her on Instagram also. So I used to message her also. Let me check whether I messaged her in this video or where. But I did message. Let me message. Messages. Let me check. Patient. Such way I reached her. Suddenly where is so very amazing content she is providing, but I saw that her thumbnail and her videos are not getting reach. So I created a free thumbnail using this thumbnail. So here is the thumbnail you can check. Similarly, I have created for many creators thumbnail. I will show you. Let me check here. You just check. See, this is where I provide services. So this is Aniket Rawat AI. What type of services you will get? You will get AI thumbnails, AI websites, AI UGC ad, and this everything you will get. So see some samples also available. See, here are some samples which get tons of thousands of views for these video ads or these thumbnails. Can you imagine? So here is a thumbnail services also you can check. Also I have created a website thumbnail also. See how beautiful website I have created. You can also take the services. Just comment below, or you can contact me. Email address is available in my channel. See the thumbnail. This is the what? This is my website for the restaurant which I have created. Professional website. Everything it is available. Just to check, I am showing you. See 7 Cafe and Grill, famous restaurant in USA. Go and search on map. So everything reserve call. You can reserve it. This one also what? View menu also you can click here. See, everything is available. Professional website. What is your main course? What you will get from grill, side by side. What are beverages you can take here? What are dessert is available, specially. Phone number is also available. You can reserve seats also. Just give your date, time, and everything. See, full professional website. If you want this service, you can contact me. I will help you. And AI UGC ad also I will. I have also created many AI UGC ad also. I want to show you that some AI UGC ad, like here I have created and sell to the brand. See, I have created the video. This is the video creation I have did for my client.
Adventure demands protection that never quits. Built for every trail, ready for every challenge. Meet
Water? Bring it on. Engineered for complete waterproof confidence. Capture every adventure with
Drops happen. Protection matters. Military-grade toughness. Built for life's toughest moments. Military-grade strength. Waterproof confidence. Easy. Protect your eyes. Adventure demands protection.
Amazing or not? If you also want such type of videos, AI generated videos, I am there. Again, many more videos are available. I have to search for it, but I have created and I have sold to the brand, and the brand also replied very much. So for today this much. I want to say you that how you can sell this type of AI thumbnails and you can earn lots of money. Thumbnail, website, AI UGC ad, many brands are available. Just you should have to reach out. How you can reach out? Just reach out Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, everywhere, and show their free case. If you are giving some free value, they will surely reply. So for today this much. We'll meet on next video. For that, bye.